Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are going to be looking at how you can approach aux or play some aux role as a main keys player. Now, I'm going to be I don't know, I might make this a series. That is if I find a lot of people that are interested in this or have issues with doing this, and I'm going to be using different sounds. That is if it becomes a series. But in this case study, I'm using the organ, right? So this is so I'm using the organ here, and I'm going to be using um piano and polystaffs. Now, one of the reasons why I had this sound here is because I am the only one. Now I'm just putting myself in that scenario where I'm the only one in the event probably having to play two roles, playing aux and also playing main. Now you cannot play the two roles perfectly together. You are definitely going to split out, but you can still make your music sound full. Now I'm going to give you guys different approach to how you can make this happen. All right. So on the key of F sharp. So let's say I want to play. Now before you are able to approach playing the both roles, you need to learn inversions. I talked about inversions, right? And it's also in my course. You need to learn inversions so that at any point where you play, you're able to. So I'm supposed to play. You can see that I'm playing different inversions. So I am trying to like play both aux role and main keys role. Now you notice that I'm not able to do so much on the main keys, but I can keep it, groovy and keep it fat. Now that's just the idea. So now let's try something now. I'm playing this. So playing this now is going to require so much work because you are doing something different with this hand and doing another different thing with this hand. So now you see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to run in fills even with this hand and play, same and using the organ. Now one of the ideas you do with the organ is you need to learn how to inversions also and learn how to stack harmonies. So if I want to play do, I can play it like this. You see, I'm not just playing triads, normal triads. It's going to sound funny. So I can just keep my melody here and now because the music is quite you know groovy, I can turn on my rotary so it's you get so I can keep it like this. I can want to switch octave now, so I can like. So you can see how tasking it can be. Very, very tasking because your mind is up. But one of the major tips is learn inversions. Then like try to do something different with this hand, do something different with this one. So or you can see I'm trying to just try. So um these few tips I'm giving you how to like play main keys and also kind of stack auxiliary is also good for aux players too, because you can have your police tabs here and still have your organ here running. Do you understand? So now this is you trying to like because the music is quite empty and you don't just want to just play only police tab, you want to have feel of organ. That's why you have to do this kind of multitasking. But a lot of times you can still just stick to your main keys. So you can see this is just little tips. It's not something so big, but a lot of times you have a main player having like two boards, but you can't really do anything because you are scared of trying to play two different boards or play two different things, or you don't know the right sound to use. I've given you one. Organ is one sound you can use at your top, right? So if you guys are interested in more videos like this, I can start doing videos recommending different sounds that you can use at your top. Organ is not just only one sound you can use at your top. Different sounds, and I'll recommend different sounds and how you can use them. All right. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Please, I also have my products in below at the description. You can check it out. My intermediate piano course, my loop pack, my um stems, logic templates. Like this organ now is in logic template. Love the organ. So that is that for the organ. Subsequently, we're going to be looking at more sounds. If you guys are interested in this kind of video, you comment, drop a comment, and let me know that you're interested, and would make more videos like this. God bless you.